Well, in today's video, we do have some new cases here from Benks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and also a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, I think we should go ahead and unbox the screen protector, and I'll have this installed on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 so you can follow along. So as you can see, we get some details on the packaging itself. So HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratch resistance, and when you come here too, you get more details and the benefits you do get with this screen protector. So we get a sticker, the external display screen protector, and I think this is the installation kit. Okay, so this screen protector is actually for the external display on here for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So first thing first, you make sure you take out the cleaning wipe. You get your Galaxy Z Flip 6. So once you are done wiping with the clean wipe, you go ahead and get the dry cloth and make sure you clean the moisture on the display, just like this. Again, Benks doing the most, you can see. So I think it's time to put this down, and now you pick up the screen protector for the external display and you gently peel this off. You pick up your Galaxy Z Flip 6 and you go ahead and have this installed. So before that, I just realized I was supposed to take this peel off this installation kit. So this is actually going to help us install the screen protector onto the Galaxy Z Flip 6 external display. Once you're done, you can take it off. So far, the process of installing this is very easy. So I think this is something you can actually do by yourself. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the ArmorAir case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So this is the ArmorAir case for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, and as you can see on the packaging, scratch resistance, full protection, light and durable. So yeah, and it's built with Kevlar dual point fiber and it's anti-fingerprint coating. So if you tend to get a lot of fingerprint smudges on the back of your device, with the help of this case, it's actually going to hide all those fingerprint smudges. Now let's go ahead and have this opened and see what we have here. And that's it. First impressions, I really like the texture on this case. I can actually feel the texture on the back of this case. Inside here, you get the Benks logo built with Kevlar, and this is an adhesive to help keep the device in place once you have it installed on your Galaxy Z Flip 6. And this is the top part for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Also, you get an adhesive here to keep it in place once installed on the device. So camera cutout, flashlight cutout, and the cover display cutout. Now let's go ahead and have this installed on the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Everything here looks on point. So the cutout for the 4 microphones here, I think it looks good, and for the speaker grill as well, and the USB Type-C port. And also you get a cutout for your power key and volume up and down keys. I like how it really looks, and this is actually giving the device a new style. And yeah, so would you still use your device with a case or without a case? Let me know down in the comment section, and share this video to your friends. And if you are looking at protecting your device, I think you can check out this ArmorAir case from Benks. Check for links down in the description. Stay safe.